Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Rox-T Styles. In today's video, I'll be taking you all on a quick way of how you can sew your lace closure on your dome cap. So if this sounds like something you might be interested in, then definitely do keep on watching. You should make sure your closure is well in place, just the way you want it, and you secure all of that with a pin before sewing so you have an even line. Brought my closure a little bit in front from the dome cap. That way I can bring out a little baby hair if I want to. I will be giving this part a double knot so I can secure the lace on the dome cap. You can click on the suggested video up here on how to fake a lace closure using a lace hook, and I'll also be leaving a link on the description box below so you can check that out. This is how neat my sewing looks because I keep adjusting it and securing all of that with a pin. And I don't really know how to explain this, but while I'm sewing I don't take that much of lace. I keep taking it little at a time before I sew them. This is something I always recommend you do after sewing your closure on your dome cap. Make sure you take off the black dome cap beneath your lace. That way your line can look very much visible. And once again, I'm Rox-T Styles. Thanks for staying with me to the end of this video. If you're new to my channel, please do well to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you're yet to. Please let me know in the comment section down below what you think and what video you would like me to upload next, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.